Hello dear students, I welcome all of you in this lecture. In previous lecture, we have seen the information about oxidation and oxidizing reagents. Today, we will going to discuss one of the important reaction in the organic chemistry, that is Swern oxidation reaction. The reaction in which primary alcohols and secondary alcohols are converted into aldehydes and ketones respectively using DMSO, oxalyl chloride, triethylamine and CH2Cl2 as a solvent is called as Swern oxidation. So this is the main concept of Swern oxidation. It is oxidation reaction involving conversion of primary and secondary alcohols into corresponding carbonyl compounds such as aldehydes and ketones using DMSO, that is dimethyl sulfoxide, oxalyl chloride, triethylamine as a base, CH2Cl2 as a solvent. Generally, this reaction is carried out at minus 78 degrees Celsius temperature. Sometimes this reaction also be carried out at minus 60 degrees Celsius temperature. Byproducts of Swern oxidation reaction are CO, carbon monoxide, CO2, carbon dioxide and Me2S, that is dimethyl sulfide. So these are the byproducts of Swern oxidation reaction. Mechanism of reaction involve formation of chlorosulfonium ion and there is also formation of sulfur halide. Look at general reaction. This is primary alcohol. That primary alcohol on reaction with oxalyl chloride, DMSO at minus 70 degrees Celsius temperature in DCM solvent, and after addition of triethylamine there is formation of aldehyde. It means primary alcohol on Swern oxidation produce aldehyde. So this is the general reaction of this Swern oxidation. Look at the structure of oxalyl chloride, Cl, C double bond O, C double bond O and Cl. That is, it is COCl twice. Now we will see the mechanism of this Swern oxidation. We will see the detailed mechanism of this Swern oxidation. Here first we will draw the structure of DMSO, that is dimethyl sulfoxide. It undergo resonance. In this way, there is formation of this type of intermediate in which oxygen carry negative charge and that sulfur carry positive charge. So this is the resonating structure of DMSO. Then in next step, that O minus of DMSO will react with oxalyl chloride. That O minus attack at this carbonyl carbon, reverse conjugation will be takes place and there is loss of Cl minus. So this is the structure of oxalyl chloride. There is loss of Cl minus. So we get new structure. That oxygen will form bond with C double bond O. There is again C double bond O and Cl. This is oxygen. In next step, the generated Cl minus in the reaction attack at this positive charge sulfur atom. There is loss of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and also there is loss of Cl minus. So this Cl minus generated in this step attack at this positive charge sulfur atom. There is loss of CO2, CO, carbon monoxide, and also there is loss of Cl minus. Here we get chlorosulfonium ion. This is structure of chlorosulfonium ion. Then the generated chlorosulfonium ion then react with alcohol here. The lone pair of electron on oxygen attack at this sulfur atom, and there is loss of Cl minus. That Cl minus then combine with this hydrogen and there is formation of HCl. So there is totally loss of HCl molecule. Oxygen, sulfur, CH3, CH2 and hydrogen. So this is the new sulfonium salt. Then this sulfonium salt undergo deprotonation using base, that is triethylamine. It is organic base. So this lone pair of electron on nitrogen of triethylamine will abstract the proton present on CH3. After deprotonation, there is formation of this type of ylide. This is sulfur ylide. Ylide is a species in which there is presence of positive and negative charge on adjacent atom. So this is the sulfur ylide. Then that carbon, that is negative charge carbon, take the proton from this carbon. This type of reaction can be takes place. There is formation of aldehyde. There is formation of aldehyde, plus there is loss of dimethyl sulfide, that is DMS. It means DMSO will be converted into DMS, that is dimethyl sulfide. So this is the general mechanism for the conversion of primary alcohol into aldehyde using DMSO, oxalyl chloride, and after addition of triethylamine there is formation of aldehyde.